Hi everybody, today I want to talk about intensity versus consistency. So, you know this already. Consistency is by far more effective to reach all of your goals in English than intensity. And everybody knows this, but not everybody follows the idea of practicing consistently and having consistent contact with English. The question comes, well, why? Why, if we know this already, why don't we practice consistently? Why do people prefer or find it more natural to sit down for 1 or 2 hours every week, have lots of practice or study typically with English, and then nothing for another week? Even though that you know that that's not going to be as beneficial as it is being consistent with English practice. The reason we have this incorrect perception of study is because of school, because of the way you first learnt English when you're a child. You know that when you first have contact with anything in life, you remember that more than the ones that come after, which means that you tend to repeat what you first did in lots of things with life, and you tend to remember the first times than the ones that come after. So in school education, it's very normal to sit down, study for long periods of time. But with language, that's just not how you develop a language. Now you're here to develop a language, you're here to improve the language. Language part of the brain only responds to consistent contact with the language. That's the only thing that will stimulate that part of the brain, make it grow and help you learn. 2 hours sitting down, studying a language, and then no contact for a week will not help you improve. It just won't. It's not how that part of the brain responds to that stimulus. What you need to do to stimulate and grow that part of the brain is consistent practice. You do not need a long period of time of study a couple of times a week or once a week. You don't want that. You want it a little bit, but every day. A little bit every day is what will get you to your goals in English. What can you do? Well, watch one YouTube video every day. Do a 1-minute dictation 3 times a week. Read 2 pages of a book, but every day. Speak on your own, even if it's on your own. Speak every day, but only 5 minutes. You don't need more. Doing one of these things every day, that's what will help you reach your goals. So dedicated, consistent, quality contact with English, and over a long period of time, that's what will help you reach your goals in English. Don't worry about spending a long time with contact with English once or twice a week. That will not help you, okay? You cannot reach your goals in English with intensity. You can only reach your goals with consistency. And it's because the part of the brain that's responsible for developing language and learning language only responds to consistency, not intensity. So the only way that you're going to reach your goals in English is by having a little bit of good quality contact every day. Okay, take care, and I'll see you next week.